how to get 3D wallpapers, live wallpapers using this application here. So make sure you watch the full video, stay tuned. This is the home screen of the application, very easy to use, and here you can pretty much tap on the best live wallpapers option here, and you can see all the live wallpaper that you can choose from. As you can see here, just scroll across and look for what you want, and you can even stay on the option here and it will automatically load up how the wallpaper should look, what live wallpaper should look on your device. So all you have to do is just tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, or tap on the unlock option, here you will start downloading the wallpaper for you to add it to your device. Once it's finished, as you can see here, you can also add a bit of edits to it as well. As you can see, you can add a little stuff to the wallpaper as well. And once you have finished adding, or if you don't want to add anything at all, the stuff will be on the default option there. You can also add touch effects as well. As you can see here, you can add touch effects on it as well, and other stuff. If you don't want those stuffs, you can just let it stay as it is, and just tap on apply. It will pretty much be added to your lock screen, or if you want to use it as lock screen, or if you want to use it as home screen, whichever one you choose. So very simple. So to find the subscription now, to remove the ads and so forth, you can tap on these 3 lines over here. Right here you get the wallpaper option. You have the call screen as well. You can set that call screen as well for using this application here. And this is the option here which you can use, the call option. Just tap on the call screen animation option there. You can use these here, same procedure. All you have to do is just tap on the download option and it will give you the call feature here. But do make sure you do follow through the setup process so this can work for you. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. Nothing really hard for you to do. You can tap on the keyboard option where it says keyboard themes. Here you can also add keyboard themes as well. You can just let it play out for a bit, and as I can see here, but do make sure you follow the setup process so the keyboard theme works for you. As you can see, you can swipe across. You can have quite a lot of keyboard themes which you can use. So that's really pretty much it for the application, and if I missed anything at all, just comment below. I would love to help you out, guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Stay tuned.